Abe, interesado ka maging reservist ng Philippine Air Force? Balaw siya makabuklat ng recruitment keti, ay ng report ng Patricia Mamang.
Penimunanan Colonel Mark Anthony Yambing, PAF Commanding Officer ng 2nd Air Reserve Center, ingkulayit para karayng Pilipinong bisang makyabe bilang reservist ng Philippine Air Force o PAF. King pasyag na niti, King Pampanga Press Club Kapihan, King Swiss Hotel Clark, Ngening Aldo, sinabi ng Colonel Yambing na kasalukuyan at chula king 3,600 reservist, reng at king serbisyo, inya mo makabuklat lapamurin kanu para kareng mas marakalpang voluntaryo abisang magserbisyo. Nanulapin reng kailangan o requirement bang maging reservist ng PAF. Atin mo naman kailangan na training keti. Manyaw siya Colonel Yambing kareng interesadong kabalen, amakyabe king PAF Reserve, bang pasiknangan pa, reng kasalukuyan na 3,600 reservists.
Ang reservists po natin during peacetime, they are continuously training. Every reservist is given 30 days mandatory to serve for their training. Iba-iba po yan. Merong training na binigay namin. They participate in CMO activities or civil action activities. And that's 30 days. They are given subsistence allowance for each day they perform their training. So that's 350 to be exact. Sa bagong inangat po ng ating presidenteng subsistence allowance. So 350 per day. Now, during extreme emergency or war or invasion or rebellion na kailangan na po nating immobilize, the word is mobilization, the President's authority po, through that President's authority, mako-call to active duty ang ating mga reservists.
Papakit ning liderato ing pamanutok king kapag sadyan, training at suporta king national security. Samantala, kayabe ng Colonel Yambing king PPC Kapihan, Lieutenant Colonel Isa Feliciano. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.